Imagine discovering a lake at the bottom of the ocean. In the Gulf of Mexico, scientists found a strange phenomenon, a brine pool that looks like a lake within the sea. This lake is so salty and dense, it doesn't mix with the seawater. Around it almost like an invisible barrier. But it's dangerous. Any fish or crab that enters never comes out alive. Scientists call it the Jacuzzi of Despair. Researchers study these deadly lakes to understand life in extreme conditions similar to what might exist on alien worlds. So yes, there are lakes beneath the ocean. A reminder that Earth still hides secrets waiting to be discovered.